Welcome to the final session of our CBSE Class 12 Computer Science series on ICT knowledge. Today, we complete everything full syllabus revision across all 5 sessions, previous year question patterns, and all 20 practical lab programs. After this, you will be fully prepared for both your theory and practical board exams. Let's finish strong. Watch the entire syllabus light up. Session 1 covered functions and exceptions, arguments, recursion, try except. Session 2 covered file handling, text, binary with pickle, and CSV. Session 3 covered stack, push pop, infix to postfix conversion. Session 4 covered computer networks, topology, devices, protocols. Session 5 covered SQL Advanced and Python, MySQL, joins, subqueries, the connector. Theory carries 70 marks total, practical carries 30 marks, 8 for program, 4 for SQL, 10 for project, and 8 for Viva. Let's rapid revise session 1. Argument types positional, default, keyword, star arguments, which collects into a tuple, and double star KW arguments, which collects into a dictionary. Remember, positional must come before keyword in a call. Mutable versus immutable. Passing an int, string, or tuple is safe. Changes don't persist outside. Passing a list or dict means changes do persist because it's passed by reference. Recursion always need a base case plus a recursive call with smaller input. Exception flow is try, except, else, finally, and finally always runs, even after a written statement. Session 2 recap. Text files use read lines. Remember, W mode overrides everything while A safely appends. Always use strip function to remove the trailing new line character. Binary files use the pickle module, dump to write, load to read, and you must use WB and RB modes. To read all objects from a binary file, use a while loop with try and except end of file error. CSV files use csv.reader and csv.writer. Dict reader gives you dictionaries instead of list for each row. Always use new line equals empty string when opening CSV files to avoid blank rows on Windows, and always use with with statement for automatic file closing. Session 3 recap. Core operations. Push map to append, pop maps to pop, peek maps to index minus 1. Always check is empty before calling pop to avoid underflow errors. Stack flow, last in first out, LIFO. And Python's list is naturally perfect for this since both append and pop work at the end. For expressions, infix is what we write normally like a plus b. Postfix is ab plus, which is what computers prefer. When evaluating postfix, the pop order is critical. Pop operator 2 first and then operator 1 second. This is often reversed by mistake. Applications include undo, redo, browse SD, bracket matching, and the function called stack itself. Session 4 recap. Network types by size. PAN is smallest, then LAN for one building, MAN for one city, WAN for global. The internet is the biggest WAN. Topologies bus, star, ring, mesh. Star is most popular for reliability. Mesh needs n times n minus 1 divided by 2 cables which gets expensive fast. Devices hub broadcast to all ports. It's dumb. Switch sends to a specific port. It's smart. Router connects entirely different networks together. Protocols HTTP uses port 80, HTTPS uses port 443, FTP uses port 21. Remember, IP addresses can change, but MAC addresses never do. And DNS is called the Internet's phone book. Session 5 recap. Joins. Inner join gives only matching rows. Left joins gives all left rows plus matches. Forgetting your join condition creates a Cartesian product with m times n rows, usually an accident. Subqueries. The inner query always run first. Use in for checking against a list of values. Use exists for checking if any row exists at all. For Python, MySQL memorize this exact sequence, import, then connect, then create a cursor, then execute a query, then fetch all, then close. The most critical rule, commit, is required after insert, update, or delete. And always use person's placeholder instead of directly inserting values into your query string. Watch the 6 question patterns appear. Output prediction for 2 to 3 marks. Trace the code very carefully, especially with mutable arguments. Rewrite with exception handling for 3 marks. Add try except to a given function. SQL query writing for 3 to 5 marks. Joins and subqueries are common. Stack operations for 5 marks. Push, pop, or infix to postfix conversion with full trace. File handling programs for 5 marks. Text, binary, or CSV based task. Network theory for 2 to 3 marks. Definitions and differentiations. Your strategy. Attempt all questions. Trace outputs on rough paper, including commands in programs. Use caps for SQL keywords and give examples in theory questions. Let's solve the real exam style questions. Output prediction. A function that appends to a mutable list shows the change persists outside, but a simple integer reassignment does not. Exception rewrite. Add try except around a division function to catch zero division error. Stack question. Convert an infix expression to postfix and show the complete stack traced during evaluation. SQL join. Write a query joining student and department tables using the department ID column. File handling. Count lines in a file where the first word starts with a capital letter using split and the with statement. Network theory. Differentiate hub which broadcast to all ports from switch which sends to just one specific port. Watch the first 10 programs appear. These cover session 1 and 2. Programs 1 through 3 demonstrate function arguments, default parameters, star arguments, and double star KW arguments. Programs 4 through 6 demonstrate recursion, factorial, Fibonacci, and GCD using Euclid's algorithm. Program 7 and 8 demonstrate exception handling, catching multiple exception types and creating a custom exception class. Programs 9 and 10 demonstrate text to file operations, counting vowels and counting lines containing a specific word. Master this 10 and you have covered the fundamentals. Programs 11 through 20, the remaining sessions. Program 11 stores record using pickle in binary format. Program 12 searches and update those binary records. Program 13 writes student data to a CSV file with a header row. Program 14 reads and filters CSV data by marks. Program 15 is a complete menu driven stack program with push, pop, peek, display, exit. Program 16 checks if brackets are balanced using a stack. Program 17 evaluates a postfix expression showing the stack trace. Programs 18 through 20 demonstrate Python MySQL connectivity, inserting a record, fetching with a where condition, and updating a record with commit. All full code is in the appendix below. Watch the marks breakdown appear. Your practical exam total 30 marks. Program carries 8 marks. You will write or modify a program from your lab file. SQL carries 4 marks. Write 2 to 3 queries on a given table. Project carries 10 marks. You submit and demonstrate a working project. Viva Voice carries 8 marks. Questions about your program, SQL, and project. Prepare by practicing all 20 programs by hand. Examiners may ask you to modify them on the spot. So, understanding the logic matters more than memorizing exact syntax. Watch the Viva tips appear. Know your code thoroughly. Be ready to explain every single line clearly. Know your sample input and output. Be able to trace through your program expected behavior. Prepare for common questions like why did you use your stack here or what happens if you remove commit. Speak confidently. Viva Voice is as much as communication test as a knowledge test. Have your SQL commands memorized. You should not need to look at notes for basic syntax. Common Viva questions include why, use, which statement, difference between fetch one and fetch all, and what error occurs if a file does not exist. Our last rapid fire review. Star arguments gives you a tuple. Star arguments gives you a tuple. Double star KW arguments gives you a dictionary. Mutable object persists changes outside functions. Immutable object stays safe. Pickle uses dump and load with binary modes. CSV uses reader and writer with dict reader for dictionary rows. Stack follows LIFO, push equals append, pop equals pop. In postfix evaluation, always pop operator to first, then operator 1. Switch is smarter than hub. Router connects different networks. And for SQL, always remember connect, cursor, execute, commit. This sequence is everything. 8 final tips for maximum marks. Manage your time, roughly 2 minutes per mark for theory. Don't do well too long on any single question. Show all your working, trace tables, and dry runs earn partial marks even if your final answer is wrong. Watch out for the default mutable argument trap. A list default parameter is shared across all function calls. Remember, postfix pop order is reversed from institution. Operator to come comes out first. Commit is needed for commit function is needed only after data modifying operations, never after select. Mesh topology needs n times n minus 1 divided by 2 cables. IP addresses can change, but MAC addresses are permanent. And always prefer the bit statement for both files and database connections. Your final quiz challenge. Question 1. Write a Python program using a stack to reverse a string and check if it is a palindrome. Question 2. Write Python MySQL code to fetch and display all students with marks above 80 sorted by marks in descending order. Bonus. What is the difference between pickle and CSV file and CSV file storage, and when would you use each? Write your answers in the comments. Congratulations, you have completed the entire CBSE Class 12 Computer Science syllabus. every function, every exception, every file type, every data structure, every network concept, every SQL query. Share this series with your classmates preparing for boards. Subscribe to ICT Knowledge, hit the bell, and go score full marks. All the very best for your board exams. Thank you.